Many times, I mean, in the Oracle Apex, post retrieving the data from the database, which is known as the page rendering process, you need to perform a kind of a online computation and display that in the screen as well. So that we will see that with an example here. If you see, it's a kind of a report come form where you have the employee name, job, manager, hired, and it has salary plus commission. So what if the requirement is such that you want to uh, display the total salary, which is basically the salary plus commission? So how do you do that? And in case if that column is not there as far as the in the table and the fetch data is not there, but still you want to perform a kind of a computation, how do we go about? So in that case, it's possible to do that with the page designer in the Oracle Apex. So if you look at it, generally, yeah, if you look at here or here, it displays the page 3. So when you click on this icon, that is a kind of a edit icon over here, um, it opens up a dialog box, and here you have the salary and commission. In this case, the commission is there's no commission. So if you want, what if you want to add total over here and get it displayed, which is grand total, which is not there as a database column. So how do we go about creating in the Oracle Apex? So there you can use, you can define an additional column, and then you can associate a computation with that. So that we'll see. And have a note over here. Currently, I'm in development. That's where you have a menu over here. The dialog box is page 4, and if I close this, it becomes page 3. So page 4 is what you need to make appropriate changes, and not in page 3. So I repeat. So when you click on this, the dialog box opens and it says the page 4. So page 4 is what you need to make the computation. So click on this icon. It will take you to the appropriate designer, page designer, where you need to make appropriate changes. So yeah, so here you have the region body, and against this you all this are displayed, and you have the rendering process initialized for and if you look at it, it's page 4 initialized for employees, because that is where it fetches the employee data, and actually you want a column over here, and let's say create a page item. So this is what I wanted to name it as grand total, grand total, which is going to be basically like the addition of sal and computation. So what I need to do is I go over pre-rendering process, because after it retrieves the data, it has to perform the necessary calculation in this page. So after header, I say create computation, I say grand total, and I can whatever you can have it based on. You can perform a static value, item, SQL query, expression, function body, and preference also. You can whatever you choose the type of computation you want. It can be based on the SQL query. It can be based on the item, the page items. It can be based on expression. It can be based on the function body. So what I'll do is I'll say function body. I'll say return, and yeah, I want to assign it to which value, where you want. So the item name I have given as grand total, and I have to choose P4 grand total as well, and then and here in the over here in the PL SQL function body, return, and whatever the item page item you want to add, sal plus, and then it is again P4 underscore com. So now you save it. So post saving, get over here and check for, okay, you have salary and a commission. So this should be for Alan. It should be total salary should be 1900. So click on that, When you get over here, its grand total is displayed as 1900, 1600 plus another 300 as commission. So grand total of salary will be 1900. And yeah, if you look at the others, there is, I mean, where there is no commission, it should display as such. One more example we'll see over here for Martin. Um, so this needs to get added up and get displayed. So this way you can perform the computation on the client side while it is getting displayed. So for that, in the dialog box, whichever, so ensure that whichever page it gets displayed during development, so you check that page, and only that page, on that page you can perform the computation. So you can use Apex not only for retrieving, but appropriate computations can be done as well. Thank you.